Hello, let's make cabbage pakoda today. Welcome to Soulsovermeals. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Cut the cabbage into thin shreds carefully. And just a half a cabbage. And then 20 to 25 curry leaves. And then a handful of coriander leaves. Chop it finely. And then a large onion. And 4 to 5 green chilies. Now add 2 cups of gram flour. Add half a cup of rice flour and then half a cup of maida and 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder and 1 tablespoon jeera or cumin seeds and salt to taste. And then add warm water and make a thick batter out of it. The consistency of batter should be very thick. And then add all the chopped vegetables. Cabbage, onions, green chili, coriander leaf and then curry leaves. And then mix it well. Now into the mixture add hot oil. Hot oil has been added to make bhajiyas or pakodas very crispy. Then add half a tablespoon of baking soda into it. Now add oil and then deep fry it. As you can see, take small amount of the mixture and then drop it into hot oil and let it cook for around 5 to 6 minutes in medium flame. These crispy pakodas will make a perfect evening snack. It's a best option if you want to entertain guests or to enjoy a rainy evening or a cold day. So try them and let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to click the bell icon.